Joining us now to talk more about the vaccine is Dr. Kathryn Dow. She is an associate professor at UT Southwestern Medical Center and took part in the Pfizer vaccine trial. Doctor, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
So you participated in the trial. Why did you decide to participate in this study yourself, and what was the experience like? A lot of people want to know what they can expect when they take this vaccine.
Absolutely. I would love to share it with you. I was really tired of the pandemic, just like everybody was. I was tired of seeing my colleagues, my friends sick, tired of my children waffling between e-learning and in-person school, and tired of not being able to visit my mom and hug her. So when the opportunity arose where I could actually move the needle to help end this pandemic, I took the chance. So I went ahead and enrolled in the vaccine trial, and I received both doses. My first dose was on Halloween, and my second dose was 3 weeks later. The first dose, I had a mild reaction where my arm was sore, I had a low-grade temperature, but it all resolved within 24 hours. With my second dose, it lasted just a few days, 3 days, but nothing that I would consider more than an inconvenience. And I took ibuprofen, got better, and I feel 100%. So for me, I don't fear the vaccine at all. What I fear is the virus, the variability of the virus. And I want people to know that basically, if we're going to get out of this pandemic, we really need to develop our herd immunity. And I'd rather develop herd immunity through vaccination than by acquiring the infection.
Yeah, I think that's the perspective of most in the medical profession. But as you just heard, a lot of Americans are concerned about the effects of the vaccine, the long-term effects. I mean, this was rolled out in record-breaking time, and so a lot of people are concerned we don't know what's going to come in the years to come, in the following years. How do you get the American public on board?
For me, I tell my patients, I'm leading by example. I'm going first. Here I am. I feel great. This vaccine technology, the messenger RNA technology, actually has been studied for at least a couple of decades now. And this is the wave of the future. I mean, some of the older methods that we used to vaccinate people didn't have quite the efficacy. How many times have you noticed patients said, I got the flu vaccine, I still got the flu? Well, the Pfizer vaccine, Moderna vaccine, they've been proven to have more than 95% effectiveness. So to me, that's a really amazing number. And the side effects that had been reported before generally are kind of like the side effects we would see, probably even less than the side effects that we see compared to like the shingles vaccine or the flu vaccine. I think this vaccine is going to be safe. And I really think that this is something that Americans should do because it's so important for us to come together in order to fight this pandemic. And one of the ways that we can do this is actually by getting our herd immunity through vaccination.
Yeah, and maybe talk a little bit about that, because my understanding is that even if you get the vaccine, you can still pass it to other people. You can still be a carrier. So can you talk a little bit about that in terms of getting to herd immunity if people refuse to be vaccinated or maybe don't have the chance to be vaccinated? Because it takes up to 70% of people in order to achieve herd immunity, right?
Yeah, so you cannot get the virus through the vaccine, okay? So these are nucleic acid molecules. These are just particles of the virus. So when you get vaccinated, you'll feel kind of flu-like, but you're not getting the virus. It's actually when you have that kind of reactions, your body's immune system building antibodies so that when the virus comes, it's ready to attack the virus so it doesn't attack yourself. You're not gonna be carrying the virus after you have your immunity. Where it's scary right now is that sometimes some patients may have a mild case of COVID-19 and then later on develop a more severe case. They might get it again. And if you get vaccinated, chances of that happening is much, much less. I mean, just like any other vaccine, it doesn't guarantee 100% that you won't get the disease itself. So even though you're vaccinated, you may not be protected 100%, but if you do get it, it's going to be a very mild case compared to what you're seeing like on the news. People are being hospitalized, people dying.
So the question everyone wants to know, my last question before we wrap up, when can the general public expect to get back to normal?
Normal is going to be difficult, right? Because we want to know, like, when can we get vaccinations out for all of the medical professionals, for the frontline workers, for the teachers, the students, for our patients in the nursing home. And right now, it's a matter of ramping up production, having people believe that this vaccine is safe so that they can go ahead and get it. So the faster people get the vaccine, the closer to normal we can get. All right. So, and that could take a year or it could take 2 years, but the faster we do it, the better it is for us.
All right. Dr. Dow, thank you very much for being here tonight and for your work on this trial that's led to the vaccine.
Thank you so much for having me.